Howdy everybody, it's Tuesday, and it's Talks with Heavenly, and Jay's making bacon, which is why you hear sizzling. Anyways, yeah, so if you guys hear sizzling in the background, that's why. It's because she's making bacon. Anyways, so I don't have any recent polls to work on, so I'm going to go ahead and go with a brand new fresh start and put polls right here for you all to vote on. Do your thing, okay? So, it's Tuesday. Tomorrow there's another video, and the next day there's another video. Yeah. So, there's a lot of stuff. Anyways, with that being said, oh, my software decided to glitch on me. Anyways, what is a question I guess I'm just going to ask myself? Jay, is there any, like, what's the first question for anybody that would come off the top of your head? Well, I already did that. That's tomorrow's video. Don't say anything. That's tomorrow's video. Oh, okay, how about this? Where have I been? What have I been doing? Okay, well, what have I been doing? Where have I been? I am right now currently working on my movie that comes out next year that has Jay and all of the actors as well as the cast and crew. Executive producer and stage and set manager is Cherry Poppins from Lake Keystone the Horror Flick. She was the first person at the very first episode. If you haven't watched that, if you haven't, I'll put it up there in the little card thing. Other than that, what else? I got a new camera and everything, so I'm going to be doing a lot of two-angled, like, different shots and stuff like that. So basically, I'm upping the quality of my videos by adding two cameras, as well as the two camera was basically meant for the production of Lake Keystone. So that's another reason why I got it. As well, if you saw Monday's video, the makeup tutorial, then you guys will obviously know that in that video, there was two cameras rolling at the exact same time. Other than that, what else have I been up to? Pretty much just sitting here, hanging out at the apartment, and just, you know, doing my thing. Other than that, what else? Oh, my book is out. You'll hear more about that tomorrow, if you're interested in more information about that. Let's see, trying to think. Oh, how are me and Jay doing? Me and Jay are doing fantastic. We're doing great. We're doing wonderful. We're doing great. I don't know what else to say about that besides we're doing great. Let's see.
Oh yeah, we just had 6 months.
Oh yeah, we just passed 6 months. Almost, yeah, well, after the month of February on the 25th, it'll be our 7th month. Yeah. For some odd reason, the other day, we were sitting there thinking to ourselves, has it been 10 months already? Oh, no, wait, I said that with Cherry. I told her that we had been together for 10 months, and then I was like, wait, we haven't been together for 10 months. It's only been 6. In other words, it feels like time flies. What else? Oh, have I gotten any new products? No, I haven't gotten any new makeup products at all. Reason why is because I don't really see anything that really interests me online here recently. I know that Morphe recently came out with some new palettes that have like 15 shades in them instead of like 30. One of them did kind of fascinate me, but I'm not exactly sure how I feel about actually purchasing it. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, yeah, as far as Thursday's video, so Makeup Brushes 101, how to use it, that will be on how to clean your brushes. I know a lot of people have been asking questions like, how do you keep your brushes clean? How do you use them? Like, blah, blah, blah. So that's what that series is about. There's only been one episode so far, and then it's been kind of delayed since then. So, yeah. Other than that and everything, that video this coming up Thursday will be on that as well. Also too, I guess I should kind of give you guys a little bit of a rundown on how videos are going to go. Okay, so basically, Makeup Mondays, you get a new look every single Monday. Tuesdays is Talk with Heavenly's, and then Thursdays you get, well, you get Makeup Brushes 101, how to use it type thing. And then on Wednesdays And Fridays, Fridays is supposed to be Freaky Friday makeup looks and everything, but I am still waiting for things to do that and everything as I roll my eyes in intent. So anyways, but yeah, what else? Now if you ask, how is the production of the show going? The show's going great. We're all basically making meetings. Like, let me tell you how the schedule is, okay? The schedule is crazy. So the schedule is literally we have Skype meetings on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. And then once every month we have an in-person meeting with a movie rehearsal. So we literally kind of like a play rehearsal. We kind of rehearsal out the parts as much as possible. And then we do actors one-on-one. So basically me as the director, writer, producer, and cinematographer, and then the acting executive producer and stage and set manager, Cherry. We basically get on camera with each individual actor and we sit down and we pretty much just kind of walk them through certain things. And plus to me being the director and cinematographer, there's certain scenes and stuff that I'm looking for, so I'm wanting them to kind of understand what I'm looking for in that scene in particular, like head movement and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, with that being said, I hope that you guys liked today's video with Talks with Heavenly. I love you guys so much. Make sure to go up there and vote on the next question. Make sure to like and subscribe. Become a part of the Angel Group or the Angel Army, however you want to say it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.